Hey, what's up, guys? Carlos here with Boza Crypto. Today's review will be on District DNT. So let's get into it. I do see they had a hell of a pullback because of that Bitcoin move that happened. As you know, whenever Bitcoin bleeds, most of the market will continue bleeding. But overall, I'm still bullish on this move, regardless of this uh, bearish times that we've been having in District. I don't see them closing below this 20 area, 20, even 27.5. If they continue, they may bounce off this little trend line here. But I do see this as an overall bullish move. Possibly within middle of March, we should see a movement upwards for District. It has had quite the run for the past couple of months. So, it's only natural for that pullback to happen. And we will continue to see how this plays out. But overall, I mean, look at this run that it's been having. We are still above the 50 RSI. So it's telling me that we are still possibly in a bullish trend, in an uptrend. We are still in an uptrend regardless of that pullback. Look, market's been rising. This little channel here is possibly just there to create confusion and trap traders. This little bearish trend that's happening at the moment, I don't think it's going to be the real trend. I think it's just a pullback for a significant run up. So we'll see how this plays out. I do see here that they are setting up what's called the little bear trap. So you could see, if a bear steps foot here, it's going to grab them, and then the market should take off. Ideally, is what I see happening. I could be wrong. Please do your own research. Invest in projects that you personally believe in. But if you found this information useful, please make sure to share, subscribe, like, comment, tell a friend. We'll see how District plays out. Again, I'm very bullish on the market for the year. Stimulus checks should be rolling in soon. We possibly will have verdict on that by Friday. We'll see how everything plays out with Senate. And then individuals will be getting significant tax returns this year as well, especially for those that do have children. So just based off those different things, I do believe that this market is going to be bullish. It is going to continue its bullish trend. Historically, March has not been a good year for crypto in general. I believe last year lows were set. We will not revisit those lows. I believe that right now we are setting up a second inverted head and shoulder. We're playing right now the possible second shoulder of that inverted, if you want to think of this in a larger picture, for the continuation of the up move. District just released the other day a blog update regarding their projects. They look to have gotten a couple of kinks out of certain things. They run Meme Factory, ETHLands. ETHLands is going to help individuals find opportunities in the blockchain space. So I'm very excited for District as a whole. I still think even at this current price, it's an undervalued project. We do have a little over 23 hours for this candle to close. We'll see how this plays out, but I do see this overall being a bullish move. It could possibly be bearish just a little bit until we start bouncing off this trend line. We may even possibly revisit this little area here, right over here, just to kind of scare people, but I don't think we will, since we kind of already had a pin on that area. So we'll see how this plays out. Overall, I'm very bullish on the market in general. We'll see what happens. This again, it's a very fun project. If you don't know anything about District, research. I believe they are one of the more cheapest options available on Coinbase, if I'm not mistaken. So that's also going to lead to individuals, when they get their checks, either taxes, stimulus, just people are going to throw money behind it because it's the cheapest asset, essentially. So we'll see how this plays out. If you found this information useful, again, smash that subscribe button. Make sure to share, like, comment, tell a friend. show a friend these videos. If they found this information useful, you possibly can help them out too. So if you found it useful, they could probably find it useful. So again, guys, thanks very much for watching. Until next time, peace.